The process of credit creation by commercial banks has a certain limit. That is, there is a certain limit to which a bank can forward or create the credit. So, let us see what are the main limitations. Number one, amount of cash. Commercial banks create credits on the basis of cash. Hence, there should be an available of cash in the bank. Without cash, the bank will not be able to create much more credit. But the amount of cash available or the amount of cash to be there in a bank is always controlled by the central bank of a country. Hence, this is one of the limitations of credit creation by commercial banks. Number two, legal reserve ratio. So, legal reserve ratio is the ratio of the total deposits of a commercial banks which is to be kept in the form of cash. This amount of money is not available for giving loan. So, it can serve as an important tool of the central bank to control and maintain the amount of cash created by a commercial bank. So, another important limitation is this, the legal reserve ratio. As the credit creation is inversely related to the ratio of money, the higher the legal reserve ratio, the lower will be the proportion of excess funds and lesser is the quantum of money. That is, if the LRR is 10%, then the money multiplier is 10 times the initial deposit. But if the LRR is increased to 20%, the amount of credit creation will or the money multiplier will be equal to 1 by 20%, which is equal to 5. And now less amount of money can be created by commercial bank. Number 3, currency deposit ratio or CDR. It is also an important limitation of commercial banks. Currency deposit ratio of currency, it is the currency held by the public for their holdings of bank deposits. Now, if CDR is high, the power of commercial banks to create credit will also be less. It is because people will want to have more cash with them. That is, CDR represents the total amount of money which the people wants to keep in their hand rather than in the bank. So, the more money is with people, the lesser amount will be in the bank. The lesser amount of their in the bank will result in less credit creation.